Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to prevent Facebook Messenger from sharing your location. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your device settings. This is where you control all the permissions and privacy settings for the apps installed on your phone. Once you're in your settings, look for the option labeled Apps and click on it. This will bring up a complete list of all the applications currently installed on your device, giving you access to their individual settings and permissions. Now scroll through the list until you find Messenger and click on it. This will open up a dedicated settings page specifically for the Messenger app, where you can manage everything from notifications to storage and, importantly, permissions. This is where you gain control over what data and features Messenger can access on your device. Next, you'll see an option called Permissions. Go ahead and click on it. This section shows you all the different types of access that Messenger has requested, such as your camera, microphone, contacts, and location. These permissions determine what information the app can use while you're messaging or making calls. From the list of permissions, locate and click on Location. This is the specific permission that controls whether Messenger can track and share your geographical position. By default, many apps request location access for features like sharing your whereabouts with friends or finding nearby places, but you have full control over whether to allow this. Now you'll see different location permission options displayed as radio buttons. Click on the radio button next to Don't Allow. By selecting this option, you're completely blocking Messenger from accessing your location data, which means the app won't be able to share where you are with anyone or use your location for any features. This gives you complete privacy and ensures your geographical information stays private. And that's it. You've successfully prevented Facebook Messenger from sharing your location, giving you better control over your privacy and what information the app can access. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.